Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. So I landed on this particular platform called Hostinger Horizons. I had no clue it existed before today or before 5 minutes ago, and I'm gonna test this platform uh, in this video. No edits, no cuts, no anything. I hope it succeeds in doing whatever we want to do. So basically, I was spending some time on checking the logs for my NA10 cloud uh, website, and then I saw in the logs or somewhere that Hostinger has a no-code platform that allows you to deploy the websites or the web apps in one click or easily, because Hostinger is a platform where you buy the domains and buy hostings for your website, so it makes sense. Pretty cool. From the look of it, the platform looks similar to Lovable, but we will have to test it out and see the capabilities. Let's just quickly go over the landing page. So you can see that you have to type your prompt or instructions for the website or the web app you want to create. You can attach images. You can also enable your microphone and record, and that's also a cool feature that saves a lot of time. There are some buttons that probably are templates for landing page or budget web app, resume builder, sales pipeline tracker. Also, it talks about describe your website or web app. Simply type your idea or upload an image to get the design functionality you want. That's standard. Make edits easily. Ask AI to update design or layout, or edit text yourself with text editing mode. Okay, that's also cool. But these kind of features already exist in Lovable, Bolt, and V0, so we will have to test the capability and compare. Go live in one click. Okay. Get inspired by some of the suggestions, some templates. That's cool. So they have some testimonials. So let's create the website. So what shall we create? I want to build a platform where we write one line sentence, okay, and the AI creates visual representations of it. Example, I want to ride a horse. The AI should create memes or GIFs or emojis saying the same sentence. The purpose is to build emotive conversations that are fun and cryptic. So this is a random idea. I had no clue that I was going to type it, but I typed it. So now I've pressed enter. It is going to create something. I want blah blah blah. Now there are some cards to understand the platform. So there will be preview here. Switch between edit, preview, code. Okay, publish, standard, standard. Okay, so it's like a AI assistant that you can talk to before you dump your prompt on the chat. Okay, so let's wait for it. So it has created something. I want to go to Mars. So yeah, it has created something which is surely not what we wanted. So what do we do? Well, it doesn't work. The meme that is generated as a placeholder image icon as of intelligence. So I know, like, basically, if I had to implement this or create this myself or on my own, I would have to use some API key for, let's say, ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini. But I just want to see like what it can do. There are some integrations also, so attach or connect to your backend database, online store. So for payment, I don't know what all the options do we have. Manage products, orders, payments, and more with a built-in admin panel. No prompting needed. So I have to learn more about it. Analytics, that's fine. Stripe, that's cool. If we can work on that. So it is saying there we go. I have supercharged the visuals. I want you to go to Mars. Ah, that's stupid. But okay, so suggest me what can we do to make this more uh, capable? At the moment, it is generating very dumb emojis and no gifs or no memes. So, do we need to use some LLM to give us better responses, or how do you think we can achieve this desired output? So, yeah. So, it is saying that, of course, next step is simulate a real AI API. I'll replace the simple timeout with a mock API call. This will mimic how the app would do the job, enhance the UI. So let's just quickly check. Okay, once it is done, I will have to check the code because then I will add my API key and see if it works. But so far, it has nothing in comparison to bold or lovable. But let's give it a shot. Let's give it a chance. Okay, so I don't know what is this. Remove this. I want to edit the content. Okay, it works. Let's check the code. So we don't have a. Mm, so mock API. I don't know where it is. Can you create an .env file so I add my API key there? I was hoping that it will allow me to edit the code base and add a file, but it has not given me that feature. So remember to replace. Okay, fine. In the meanwhile, I'll just get my OpenAI API key. Wait a second. So I just added my API key. Now I will ask it. So I have added the OpenAI API key in the env file. Now I need you to again update the code base because the idea was simply that everything that I write should be expressed through emojis or GIF or memes, but I'm fine with emojis. So each and every word that I write should be expressed through the emojis in the that I will write in the text box. Thank you. Fingers crossed. Okay, so I think that's done, but it is also saying that I need to buy something, like buy a plan. Okay, anyways, on to go. Sad. There were some errors. Fix it, bro. Also, I don't see the option to put this code on GitHub. So yeah, it's a paid subscription, and you can't push the code to GitHub, and you have to also download it and then create a new repo, then upload your file. So what I will say about it is that yeah, not great, not bad, but not anything out of the box, not anything outstanding. Cheers.